Ecwid offers you incredibly flexible shipping and pickup options for your online store. And in this video, I want to introduce you to some of the concepts around shipping and pickup and destination zones. And we'll cover all of the topics in more detail in upcoming videos. Let me touch on shipping first. No matter how you want to ship from your online store, such as getting real-time rates from carriers like USPS, UPS, FedEx, and more, or whether you want to offer free shipping, flat rates, custom rates based on subtotal or weight. Other options include local delivery, curbside pickup, in-store pickup. If you want to offer product-specific shipping rates, Ecwid even supports drop shipping via additional plugins. With Ecwid, you can do all of these things. All of your shipping options depend on shipping regions or zones. By default, when you create a shipping option, it selects all destinations. But of course, you might not use the same shipping method for all destinations that you ship to. You can create new zones and manage zones, and you can also define a zone on a map. Here on my test site, I have 3 shipping and pickup options defined. A local delivery option in the town where I live, which is a $3 delivery fee for orders under $30, and it's defined by a zone that I've created around my hometown. I also have the carrier calculated rates for UPS set up, and it's designated to ship anywhere in the world. And finally, USPS carrier calculated automatic rates, but I've defined that for the United States alone. With Ecwid, it's really easy to set any of these up. I'm going to click Add Shipping. I can add any of these options again and define them for a different zone. If I want to set up local delivery for my pizza store, I can now say free delivery, conditional free delivery, let's say if it's over a certain amount of money, a flat rate, or even completely custom rates. We're going to go through each of the main options in further videos, so I encourage you to watch those. No matter how you want to ship, deliver, or allow your products to be picked up, Ecwid has you covered.